Okay, we spent $71.62 at Kroger. This is actually going to be a Kroger and Walmart haul, and I have my Walmart stuff ready to go too, but first I'm just going to show you Kroger. We spent $71.62. I had lots of coupons that Kroger had sent me in the mail. I had 60 cents off Diet Dr. Pepper, 60 cents off Diet 7-Up. Kevin, his free Friday coupon was the Stacy's Bake Shop, which we had never seen. This is the herbed, but they did have banana nut and vanilla something. But these were completely free. And then Kevin is going to take a bunch of meals to work. So these are the frozen meals that he chose to take to work.
They have desserts.
Yes, he likes the ones with the apples. And then we couldn't remember if I'm thinking that
looks like
this is the one that we had years ago that we really liked. And it's lean cuisine and it has the dessert. I'm thinking that's it. And Walmart was out of this cornmeal mix. Walmart was out of a ton tonight. Ben & Jerry's Half Baked, we got a free thing of it from a coupon. This is the macaroni that I like for my baked macaroni and cheese on Thanksgiving. I really liked this Orville Redenbacher. This is the 100 calorie. And I think we got these free one time or something. Yeah, so now I like them and had to get them again. Walmart, believe it or not, was out of creamy peanut butter. I don't know how that's possible. They were. Okay, so then Kevin got a bunch of these meals. These were like $1 a piece. They were 10 for 10. And so he bought all different kinds. Ashley actually likes the 3 cheese-eaty, so I think Kevin will like it too. And then he got some lean cuisines, some pizzas, and those look really tasty. And then I had a coupon, another Kroger coupon, saved like 75 cents on 3 kid cuisine meals. And I know Ashley does not like fruit, so I did not buy any with the fruit in them because it'll just get wasted. Walmart was out of Cracker Barrel sharp cheese. They were also out of this, the berry that Kevin likes to take to work. So we bought these at Kroger. And then they had 1 can of light chicken noodle soup at Walmart. I bought the last can of the light. And they were 3 for $5. Okay. And then toaster strudels. I just decided that I wanted some more of those. So we bought more of those. Now, and we also got 2 Diet Mountain Dews. So next I will, one more thing. The chips, I forgot about the chips. Walmart never has this variety of chips, and so we have to buy these at Kroger. So that's all we got at Kroger, and next I will show you what we got at Walmart. Okay, I've moved my Kroger stuff over, except for these Diet Mountain Dews. We got 2 more Diet Mountain Dews at Walmart. We spent $252.20 at Walmart. You will see a lot of stuff we don't normally get, but this is a lot of my Thanksgiving stuff. The only Thanksgiving stuff that I couldn't get were fruits and stuff like that, like bananas, and I didn't want those to get old. So we bought 2 popcorn tins because we like to play games, and those will actually be prizes. People love winning food for prizes for games. This is the Progresso soup that I bought. I bought more of that. Oil, a big thing of oil. Big thing of elbow macaroni. Butter, I went ahead and bought the 2-pack of butter because you save some money and because I know we're going to be using it for baking. Bisquick. More soup. You can tell it's cold outside, so soup is so quick. We've been working on the dining room. Pumpkin for Guido. Creamer. It's quick to be able to come in and just get a can of soup. Ham. Pepperoni. cheese. This is the block cheese for macaroni, for baked macaroni and cheese. This butter in the tub, which is wonderful, and it is so soft. Ashley likes the thick sliced bacon. She did not like the butcher's cut that we got last time. It really wasn't any thicker. Tennessee Pride sausage. Nut topping. And Kevin will show you what the nut topping, some of this will be used for. These are green beans and corn, more soup, and I just realized, crushed tomatoes, that Walmart did not have any Stokely vegetables. When did they quit selling Stokely vegetables? Ritz crackers, an Oreo pie crust, and these are really good, really good. A box of ribbon candy. Celery, I couldn't think of what that was for me. Celery, onions, sweet potatoes, Cool Whip, 2 bags of the family size, the broccoli florets, and this doesn't make very many. I know it says family size, but once you boil it, it doesn't make very much, so you have to buy 2. Rolls. Okay, I'm just going to leave these sitting here because they're heavy. 2 turkeys. They were on sale for what, 88 cents? 88 cents a pound. So we went ahead, we did this last year too. We bought one for Thanksgiving and we'll have one for Christmas. And that way, I know it's bought, it's in the freezer, I don't have to worry about it. So even though they might go cheaper, it's not worth the wait to me. You know, they could run out of them. Sausages for Guido. Movie theater popcorn. This is a digital scale so that I can weigh food. You know, when it says you can have 10 ounces for 300 calories, I want to know what 10 ounces is. Then we have some more frozen foods. We have 2 pizzas, chicken fettuccine, teriyaki chicken, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, these pans, these are the ones I was telling you about the other day if you watched the video. We just bake in these and then you can throw them in the garbage. You don't have to, like for the broccoli casserole, you don't have to wash the dishes, you just throw them away. Marshmallows, some candy, semi-sweet chocolate, lots of cans. Oh, we will be doing a review on these. Limited time only, white chocolate Pringles. Can't wait to try those. Never had them. Okay, peas and carrots.
Peas and carrots.
Mandarin oranges. Pineapple chunks. Fruit cocktail.
Me and Jenny's just like peas and carrots.
Tomato paste. Chopped pecans. And I think that little bag was like $5 or $6. Velveeta. Brown sugar. I think Kevin likes it when I do these hauls because I'm unpacking all the groceries. Some more candy. Ooh, more white fudge Oreos. Flour. Okay, I'm going to leave this here. It's an 8-pound bag of potatoes. Napkins, I'll leave over here. These Swiffer wet. I love these things. They're great for the floor. Okay. Plain bagels. And guess what I found at Walmart? They have moved these to a different spot. So I got the newest boxes. And this, Ashley wanted to try this thin bread. So she's going to try that sandwich thins. They're 100 calories, but that's for the top and the bottom. So that's what the ham's for in here. And that is it. That is from Kroger and Walmart.